U.S.-based company that produced a wide range of agricultural equipment, including tractors. Founded in 1901 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the company quickly became one of the largest manufacturers of tractors in the United States. The first Allis Chalmers tractor was produced in 1914, and it was called the Model 10-18. This was a small tractor designed for small farms and orchards. Over the years, Allis Chalmers produced many different models of tractors, ranging from small to large. Some of the most popular models included the B, C, and CA, which were small tractors designed for smaller farms. In the 1950s and 1960s, Allis Chalmers produced some of their most popular tractors, including the D Series and the WD Series. These were larger tractors designed for bigger farms and more heavy-duty work. The D Series included the D14, D15, D17, D19, and D21 models, which were popular for their reliability and durability. The WD Series included the WD45, WD45D, and WD45 Diesel, which were also popular for their reliability and power. Allis Chalmers also produced a line of tractors called the G Series. These were small, compact tractors designed for use in orchards and other tight spaces. The G Series included the G, GC, and GLE models, which were popular for their maneuverability and ease of use. One of the most iconic Allis Chalmers tractors was the Model WC. This was a small tractor that was first introduced in 1943. The Model WC was popular for its simplicity, reliability, and versatility. It was used on small farms as well as in factories and warehouses. Allis Chalmers tractors were known for their reliability, durability, and power. They were also known for their innovative designs and features. For example, the Model B had a unique hydraulic lift system that made it easier to lift and move heavy loads. The Model C had a unique foot clutch that allowed the operator to control the tractor's speed and direction with their feet. Despite their popularity, Allis Chalmers tractors faced stiff competition from other manufacturers, such as John Deere and International Harvester. In the 1960s, Allis Chalmers began to struggle financially, and in 1985, the company filed for bankruptcy. Today, Allis Chalmers tractors are still popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Many of the tractors produced by Allis Chalmers are still in use on farms around the world, and their unique designs and features continue to be appreciated by those who appreciate the history of agriculture. In conclusion, Allis Chalmers was a major manufacturer of tractors in the United States. The company produced a wide range of tractors, from small to large, and was known for its reliability, durability, and power. Despite facing stiff competition, Allis Chalmers tractors continue to be appreciated by collectors and enthusiasts today, and their legacy lives on in the history of American agriculture.